I supposed to say?
Your puppet's missing.
I was eating popcorn.
Off the floor? Are you gotta move yours?
Yay! Poor dude.
Man, he should have used Fandango. Who doesn't?
Word.
Word.
Poor dude.
Don't feel sorry for him. He should have used Fandango. This is bullshit. This hurts. This is for the gag reel.
Do you want to start it off? You start it off this time then.
He should have just used Fandango.
You just gave the punchline away.
Oh gosh, this hurts like hell.
Art is pain.
I know.
Art is pain. Are you saying that's you acting?
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, he should have used Fandango. Poor dude. That line looked pretty long too.
Dude.
I mean, the best movie ever wasn't even really the best movie ever, so that line was somewhat unbelievable.
I know the greatest song in the world.
The greatest song? What are you talking about? That's pretty
Sorry,
random.
tribute just hit my head.
That was heartwarming.
Bring Alright, now look away.
Can we have like a soap opera moment where
Pablo.
Ooh, one. ¿Por qué? Dime por qué mi bebé.
Mi bebé.
¿No es mío? Can we just do this in soap opera now? I actually can't speak right now.
What's that, Mushmouth?
Rah, 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 ha, ha. That was actually
Lady Gaga.
I was speaking Lady Gaga in.
Can we dance?
Rah, 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 rah.
You're a better puppet dancer than I am.
I just got the soul. He's gay. He's got the soul in him. He's got the dancing soul.
Dancing soul.
Look, nice booty dancing against the chair.
Ooh, old guy's getting excited.
Swing.
I got some candy, babe. Would you like to suck on it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll cut that part.
Well.
Why is Fandango good?
Well, the convenience is amazing, and you know, because my grandpa here doesn't understand very well how this works out. Right, Grandpa?
What's my name?
That would be awesome. It's okay, Grandpa. You'll get your medication soon.
Dude, you gotta check this out. Put your HD glasses on, man.
Your glasses. You have old man glasses.
That was great.
Go ahead, Jen.
Holy smokes, this is sweet. Put your HD glasses on. His nose fell off.
Yo, here, put some gum on it.
Go ahead again.
Holy smokes, you gotta check this out. Put your HD glasses on, man.
Okay. All right.
Jen, keep it still.
Ready?
Yep.
They have necks.
Hold on. All right. They have necks.
Yeah, say something. Whatever it is.
I like they have arms.
All right, say arms.
What are arms?
Okay, hold on. I'm fucking up his hair. Shit. It worked before. Why is it not working now? Oh, crap. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Wow, they have arms.
You're hideous.
That guy's a bad actor. He should stick to singing. I love you, Jason, if you hear me.
5?
High five.
Oh, wait.
Oh, we don't have
I
arms.
don't have arms. That sucks.